Hello children, NMMS exam, mental ability, word analogy, classification directions, very important bits. All of you watch this video, like video, share to your friends. Word analogy, in these questions there is a relationship between the first two words. Looking at the relationship, find out the word which shows relationship to the third word. So first question here, speedometer, this is speed. Barometer, which is belongs to option 1 energy, option 2 mercury, option 3 pressure, option 4 temperature. So barometers, which is the correct option relationship here. So here is the relationship is 3 is the correct answer. Pressure, barometer, pressure is the correct answer. Second one, dance choreographer. This is the relationship. Drama, relationship to first one composer, second one conductor, third one director, fourth one producer. So here is the relationship is director is the correct answer. Question number third, farmer crop. This is the relationship. Teacher, so here is option 1 agriculture, option 2 education, option 3 sports, option 4 justice. Teachers, which is the relationship here, you already know the answer, that is second one is the correct answer, education. Here fourth one, May, June. So Sunday, here is relation here, first one Monday, second one July, third one Tuesday, fourth one Wednesday. So May after June, Sunday after, which is the correct answer here, Sunday after Monday. So first one is the correct answer. Now fifth one, unity, diversity. So this is the relationship. Selfishness, option 1 disparates, option 2 cooperation, option 3 egoism, option 4 hatred. So selfishness, which is correct relationship here, egoism is the answer. Next one, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu. So Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi, which is the correct answer here. First option Gujarat, second option Kerala, third option Karnataka, and fourth option Andhra Pradesh. So already you know the Kuchipudi is belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Next to seventh one, cooking gas. So vehicle, so cooking uses gas, vehicle uses dash. Option 1 fuel, option 2 water, option 2 engine, here is the 3, option 3 engine, option 4 motor. So here is the answer, already you know vehicle uses fuel. Here is the question number 8, mosquito, malaria. So tobacco, which is option 1 typhoid, option 2 cancer, option 3 cholera, option 4 health. So tobacco, here is the suitable answer is second one cancer. Ninth one, land rent. Capital, first one rent, second one interest, third one loss, fourth one salary. So land, which is relation rent, capital is the correct answer here, interest. So next one, 10th one here, court, lawyers. So school, first one students, second one doctors, third one players, fourth one ministers. You know the correct answer. So check the correct answer. Here is school, relations here, students. Now 11th one, cloth, thread. So wall. So first option labor, second one cement, third one brick, fourth one air. So here is cloth, thread. So wall, which is the correct answer here? Third one is the correct answer, brick. Next one, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. So you already know the Uttar Pradesh capital city is Lucknow. Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh capital city, which is the correct answer here? First one, Kurnool. Second one, Vijayawada. Third one, Hyderabad. Fourth one, Visakhapatnam. So now Andhra Pradesh capital city is Amaravati is the correct answer. So here is the you choose the answer Amaravati. So Amaravati is the correct answer, all the viewers. So Telangana capital city is Hyderabad. So this is the correct answer, Amaravati. So here is the option is third one is the correct answer, Amaravati. Next one, logical Venn diagrams. Type 1. In these diagrams, some circles are given and questions are asked basing on the circles. Students have to draw inference looking at the questions. So here is first one. Look at this. These are the circles very separately. Here 3 circles are given separately. This is one circle, this is another circle, this is another one. These are separately. It means they represent 3 different groups. Here is an example. So for example, teachers, tailors, actors. These are all separate groups. So second one. In the above diagram, so look at this in the above diagram, 2 small circles, this is small, 2 small circles are in a big diagram. It represents 2 different groups. This is different, this is different, 2 different groups belonging to one main branch. This is the main branch, these are the different groups. For example, here brinjal, bottle gourds, vegetables. Vegetable only one main branch, but brinjal and bottle gourds are different one. Next one, third one, in the above diagrams. So in the above diagram, one small circle in a big circle and one circle is separately. You see, it means 2 groups belong to same class. 2 groups belong to same class and one group is different one. That is the here example, carrot, vegetables. So this is carrot, this is vegetable, this is carrot. So another circle is separate, this is pulao. So this is another different one. Fourth one, here 3 different groups are interlinked by a character. So example, for example, this is letters, next one books, next one library. All the 3 are different groups and belong to literacy. These are belongs to literacy. Letters, books, library. These are belongs to literary. So very important, all of you watch again and again and practice it. Next, now exercise. In the given each question, 3 words are given. Choose the Venn diagram that represent the relation in them. So this is one, already you know, this is one group, this is different one. So second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. So here is the first one, India, Pakistan, Asia. So this is Asia, the total here is Asia. So this is India and another one is Pakistan. Second one, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, India. So this is Andhra Pradesh, in inner side is Vijayawada and India is separate one. Next one, Odisha, Karnataka, India. Next one, fourth one, second, and minute, hour. So all of you choose the correct answer, choose the relationship, all of you practice these models. Next one here, first one, explanation here. India and Pakistan are different countries, but they belong to continent, that is Asia. So this is the correct, this is India and Pakistan, total this is Asia. Next one, Vijayawada. So Vijayawada, only here is the small circle. Next one AP, next one India. So which is here? This is the correct answer. So this is this belongs to the third one is the correct answer. Next one, Odisha and Karnataka are the two states in the country India. So this is the total, this is the India. Odisha is one of the state and Karnataka is one of the state. So that is the correct answer. Next one, here is the answer is third one is the correct answer. Second, minute and hour are part of the group of time. So this is hour, next this is second, this is minute. Third one, lawyers and soft engineers belong to different professions. So, but them some may be ladies. So these are the ladies, some of the lawyers are ladies and software engineers are ladies. So this is the correct answer. Sixth one here is the sixth one. All of you look at this, pen, pencil, stationery. So in this, which is the correct option here? So sixth one here, pen and pencil. So pen and pencil here, stationery. So this is the stationery and pen and pencil. So first one is the correct answer. Next one, ladies and gents belong to human beings. Trees belong to separate group. So very easy. So ladies and gents. Trees is separate. So separate. This is separate circle. So here is the answer is second one. India is the continent of Asia. So this is the Asia. Next one is the India. Europe is different continent. So different meaning that is separate circle. So this is the second one is the correct answer. Ninth one, doctors, engineers and lawyers. These are the two different groups. And so three different circles show this. So they are different one. So teacher is different circle, lawyer is different circle and doctor is. So this is the fourth one is the correct answer. Which is the fourth one? All of you check this. So this is the fourth one. This is the fourth one is the correct answer. So here is the question is depend on Venn diagram. Next one, 10th, sugarcane, chili or crops. So sugarcane and chili, these are the crops. So crops is the one of the circle that belongs to sugarcane and chili. This is the second one is the correct answer. So next one, type 2. These are the very important dear children, upcoming NMMS exam. So type 2, all of you look at this. The circle is belongs to actors. Triangle is belongs to dancers. So here is the square is belongs to singers. So first question here, what is the total number of singers, dancers and painters? So type 2 here, actors, actors belongs to circle, dancers belongs to triangle and singers belongs to square. So what is the total number of here is option 3 here 9 is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Next one, how many members are there who are both actors and dancers? Both actors and dancers but not singers. So all of you understand the question is very important. Here is the 3 is the correct answer. So look at this. So this belongs to actors and dancers but not singers. So this is not belongs to not singers. Next one, who are both singers here and actors. This is both singers and actors. So which is the correct answer here? So this is the correct answer. Next one, how many members are only dancers? Only dancers. How many members are there? Only dancers. So this is the correct answer. You can understand easily. So dancers belongs to triangle. So 5 members are only dancers. Next one, what does 7 in the above diagram represents? So in the above diagram you see 7 represents. So 7 is here, this is the circle and this is the square. So circle and square, all of you keep these points in your mind. So 7 belongs to first one singers, second one singers and actors, third one dancers, fourth one singers, dancers and actors. You can understand easily. So here is the answer here, singers and actors. Next model here, this is circle, this is rectangle, this is also one of the rectangle. So circle belongs to here member of the union. This belongs to total member of the union. So here is the square also, hard workers. So this is the experienced workers. So this is the symbol of member of the union. This is the symbol of hard workers. This is the symbol of experienced workers. So first question here, which shows the workers who are not members of the union but hard working and experienced. So all of you find the answer in the above picture. So this is the correct answer. 5th one, 6th is the correct answer. So you understand, you see the answer here. Workers who are not members of the union, but hard working and experienced. So this is the correct answer. 6th is the correct answer. Next one, which shows the workers who are the member of unions, the hard working and experienced. This is belongs to third one is the here is the third meaning here. 4th one is the correct answer. So this is the member, this is the circle member, and next one is the hard workers and experienced. So that is the correct answer here, 4th one. So here is the third question, which shows those who are not members of union, not experienced. So not member of union and not experienced, but hard working, only hard working. So according to our picture, so this is the correct answer, second one. So here is the 2 is the correct answer. If you any doubt, all of you check this one. Only this one, 2 here, this is belongs to hard working. Only this one, hard working. Next one, the number 4 shows. So you see the picture. This is the 4. The 4 shows. This is belongs to member of the union, and this is the square. This is belongs to hard workers. So you can understand easily. Question here. The number of 4 shows. First option, the workers who are hard working and members of union but not experienced. Second one, the members of union. Third one, the experienced and hard working workers but not members of the union. Fourth one, members of the union and also experienced and hard working. You can understand easily. So this is the correct answer. The workers who are hard working and member of the union but not experienced. That is the correct answer. Here is the question number 5th one, which represent the member of union, experienced workers. So this is belongs to union and experienced workers but not of hard working. This is the correct answer, third one. So 3 is the correct answer, option first one. Thank you viewers. All the NMMS preparing students, all of you watch again and again, practice it more, practice it, like video and share to your friends. If you not subscribe, please subscribe for more NMMS videos. Thank you.